Hey, I'm Tom Goese. We are back. After many years, they locked me up for a while. They let me out. Here we are doing a new project house. This is an old, not too old, 1978 vintage ranch house that needs some love. And who better to love an old house than me? Come on over, let's look. You know what they say? Vinyl is final. Okay, did I hit you? I hit the camera person. I'm sorry. We have a 30-foot demo dumpster. We got to take all the vinyl off for a couple reasons. This old house was originally T111, as you can see, and had a little bit of rot. This was where the entry door was, and we're in the process of digging back to solid wood. This was built apparently before they had pressure treated, or they didn't believe in pressure treated. So the sill was rotted. The porch, there was a porch up against here. It trapped the moisture. We're back to some solid wood here. We just got to whittle away, and then we're going to start putting it back together. I'm not sure exactly what happened, but there were moisture issues inside the house as well. It's serviceable, it's recoverable, but let's look inside, and it gets better from here. So we're right inside the doorway, and what happened was the floor joists, of course, at the edge of the building had rotted out, and somebody kind of jerry-rigged this deal here, which is kind of, I shouldn't jump too much on that, but all this is going to come out. The kitchen was here. There were some mice in the kitchen cabinets. I can't imagine why. Kitchen's coming out. These walls are all coming out. We're going to redo the whole first floor, or it's one floor anyway. We're going to redo everything on the inside, but so all this stuff will come out. We go into the center part of the building. You can see all the drywall, or much of the drywall's been removed. There was a moisture issue in here. I first thought it was a roof leak, but the roof is okay. It was moisture coming up from the basement, which is relatively dry, but when you leave a house unheated, and this was left unheated for several years, the moisture comes up and condenses out on the cold surfaces. These are the cold surfaces. The basement's actually warmer, so the moisture rises up into here, and it stained a lot of the drywall. So somebody came in and stripped out the drywall, sprayed the remaining studs and debris, such as it is, with Kilz, which is okay. Unfortunately, when they pulled out the sheetrock, they left all the nails, so we get to pull out 1 million nails in the process. The wiring is new, that's good. So this be the kitchen here. The bathroom is here. I started to gut the bathroom. I pulled out the cabinets. The floors have blown through in the bathroom for some ungodly reason. Should I show the toilet? Yeah. The toilet's maybe the best part of the whole house. That's what's left of the toilet. Don't ask me to explain that, because I don't know. Bathroom's moving anyway, so that's not a big deal, except for the, somebody took the time to antifreeze the toilet. It didn't matter at that point. We've got a chimney here. A two-flue chimney, needs a little bit of work, but I think it's serviceable. I first thought it might have to come out to disrupt, because it was disrupting our floor plan. I don't think so. We have a stick-built roof. As you can see, we've got about 15, 16-foot rafters, 2x6s with no support. We've got ceiling joists that are 14 feet, butted in the middle with plywood gussets. We got to beef that up. We got to make this more truss-like. So we'll be rebuilding the roof system as well. We've got a couple of bedrooms that haven't been stripped out yet, but will be. These rooms are going to go completely away, and this will get opened up and be reconfigured. I guess we should go down. We should go in the basement, because the basement's maybe the best part of the house. So basement, it's a full basement. It's full 8 feet high. It's in pretty nice shape, as you can see. This has a garage portion that was partitioned off. Of course, the drywall got all messed up. I have a feeling the partition's going to go away, because I'm not sure the condition of the wood at this point. Electrical service was okay. It was a little bit dirty in there, but had been recently replaced. Nice shape. And I mentioned this on the radio. I admire when electricians, because only electricians do it this nicely. Nice square bends on all the wiring. It's very easy to trace anything we need to trace. The power is on. I don't have it on right now, but the power works in the house. Over here on the other side, so over here is where the floor joists are messed up, and you can maybe get a reasonable shot of what's happened. So what we're going to be doing is cutting off the rotted part, sistering on new wood. You'll see when it's done, it's going to be glued and screwed together, and we'll be using pressure treated in contact with the masonry. Down here is the well. This property does have a well. The plumbing is a mess. We'll be cleaning all that up. It's copper plumbing right now. We're probably going to redo everything in PEX. I already found leaks just right here, so it obviously did sustain some freeze damage. Looking up here at the drain, this is, I guess, the bathtub drain. This actually goes in the wrong direction. You know, water is supposed to go downhill for drains. This is not. It's going uphill, which makes it interesting. So we're going to cut that, and all this is going away because, as I say, we're doing new bathrooms. There'll probably be 2. The original heating system was oil, and it's here. It's showing signs of somebody having had to mess with it. We'll assume it's bad. The tank might be okay. It's got an Amtrol tank. We may reuse that. We don't know yet. I'm still making lists. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Just a quick thumbnail sketch of what we're at this week. We come back in a couple days. We'll just do these short snippets. We don't have to do regular TV show size stuff anymore because we're not on TV. We're on the YouTube. And I can swear a lot too. So I don't have to swear today though, because I'm just looking around and contemplating the universe. Anyway, this is Hot and Cold. You see us on Hot and Cold Television on YouTube anytime, and you can look at our website, AmericanSolarTechnics.com, HotandColdTV.com, HotandCold.tv. God, it's been a long time, and we'll see you next time.